Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, this is Jason from the OP-1 channel. Yeah, I'm here today to do another video with you guys. Basically, I've been working on a few tracks lately because I've locked down. I've got a new zeal to sort of get things produced. I've got the time now. I'm like many of you listeners and viewers, stuck at home right now in the lockdown. So, say like today, I've just been working on a few ideas. It is a little idea I've been working on. Tell me what you think. Yeah, just like a stem little track that I'm sort of working on. So I've come to the point now where I need new sounds and everything. So I'm gonna basically, you know, drop some new presets and all the rest, some patches, some samples, some extra beats, some drum loops and everything. So today, the lesson is going to sort of revolve around memory management and patch management. How you get your patches onto the track. How I can lift these tracks off, and you know basically update, add new sounds and everything. So as you know, if you press if you go into patch mode, and then if you shift and any of the memory banks, you've got your 10 synthesizers. So if I scroll, if I use the blue button, which is this one, I can move within the different synthesizers, and then the green one, I can use that to select the relevant patch. So I've got my user bank here, and as you guys heard before, let me turn the filter off the main mixer. Let's go back to patches. Yes, as you heard before, we've got all these quirky sounds. Tell you the truth, this OP-1's been sitting on the shelf. I haven't touched it in about 2 years. It's only because of lockdown I've had the time to use it basically. So it's due a update of sounds. So normally, the way you drop the sounds in is via the USB port, which is on the side of the device. USB that's on the side of the device, and then you use the comms button, shift and the comms button, and then that gives you access to the OP-1 goes into disk mode. So let's give that a try. So shift and the comms button. So in here you've got say for example, you could disable with opt will disable USB charge, because as like the device is charging, it can cause grounding, so you get like a minute little hum. So you could disable that, and then you've got controller mode, so you can get the OP-1 to communicate with Ableton and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to update all the patches on here and give you some new sounds, and then I can do some new things, new sounds, new styles of music. So now if I press disk, that goes in disk mode. But as you can see here, I've been getting this strange error. I've never seen this before, and I've updated to the latest firmware as well. So let's try it again. I'll take USB out. Let's go back in again. So as you can see, it keeps crashing every time I go into disk mode. I don't know what's happened there. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to go through how to basically factory reset the device, and then I'm going to start again from scratch. Luckily, I've backed up my presets over the time, so I'll be able to sort of grab those. So just one moment, guys, whilst I just prepare. Right, so let's begin. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to basically factory reset the device with the latest, and then just start again. So if I do shift and comms, and then no, sorry, my mistake. If I go to disk, it's going to crash again. So let's turn it off. Turn the device back on again. Oh no, I wasn't meant to do that. Yeah, so basically what I need to do in order to factory reset it is to hold comms and then turn the device on. Oh, let's do it again. So now it goes into the BIOS or like the the firmware boot mode. So I'm going to select 7, which is factory reset. So all my lovely data is being removed. So now let's turn it off. Let's turn it on again. And now it's just erasing the tapes. I guess it must be running some kind of like Linux operating system under the hood. You can format the flash disk on here fully, but I think that'd be a bit overkill at the moment. Okay, so now let's try it. So it's at factory mode. So as you can see, if I go into synthesizer, actually if I go to synthesizer, shift and 1, and if I go to list, you see there's no user banks in there. So they're all been erased, and now it's just in factory sort of mode. Let's try comms now. So shift and comms, disk, and now it works. USB established. So now I can drop software in and do what I need to sort of do. I will do another video. So this is just part 1 of patch management. So on the next episode, part 2 to this, we will go through how to upload and change the names and everything of store sounds. So I look forward to speaking to you next time, guys. That's the end of this video.